I came to the Lord and I said, Lord, I am under this huge attack. And I just ask for your miraculous intervention. And at the beginning, I was like, Lord, why? And I heard the Lord say this. I want you to write it down if you're hearing me. He said, Yvonne, you're going to a new level. You're going to a new level. And I'm here to tell you that the bigger the attack, the higher the level. The bigger the attack, the higher the level. The enemy sees what is coming in the spiritual dimension and reacts to that. And so, whenever you see an attack coming, let me tell you, when I was sharing with Mina, he is such a man of God and he is such a man of faith. And he said to me, I'm excited. I'm excited. And I said, excited about what? And he said, it's because we're going to a new level. And you know what is so crazy? Is that last year, towards the end of May, and maybe go back and hear, we received a prophetic word called boomerang.